Secrets of the oceans. Oceans cover most of the surface of our planet, about 72%. And they formed millions of years ago. In the waters of some you can find very ancient species of marine animals. The largest ocean is the Pacific. Its area is 180 million square kilometers. It was named by the Portuguese navigator Ferdinand Magellan. During the voyage, which lasted almost 4 months, he crossed the ocean, and the expedition never got into a storm. Of course, it was just incredible luck. The nature of these waters is not at all calm and peaceful. The deepest place on Earth is in the Pacific Ocean, the Mariana Trench. Its depth is 10,994 meters, almost 11 kilometers. That is, if you put Everest in this place, then the highest mountain in the world would be completely hidden underwater. The fauna of the Pacific Ocean is richer than in others. The most ancient species that no longer exist in other waters live here. For example, the Gilbertidia fish. There are also endemic species of mammals: fur seal, sea lion, dugong. The Atlantic Ocean, the second largest, was named after the Titan Atlanta, who holds the vault of heaven on his shoulders. It is the most salty of all. Evenly throughout the territory, the salt concentration reaches about 35%. In the Atlantic Ocean there is an incredibly beautiful place called the Great Blue Hole, a huge cave in the Belize Barrier Reef. This is a huge round funnel with a diameter of 300 meters and a depth of 120. This place, with the light hand of Jacques-Yves Cousteau, is very fond of divers. Here you can meet unusual fish, stone perch, grouper, nurse sharks. For many years, major trade routes passed through the Indian Ocean. The first European who sailed across this ocean to India from Europe was Vasco da Gama. There are many interesting inhabitants here, for example, organisms that shine at night, dinophytes, some types of jellyfish, tunicates. An interesting phenomenon that can be observed here is the Milky Sea. This is the name of a large patch of water on the surface of the ocean that shimmers with light colors. This natural phenomenon is associated with special luminescent bacteria Vibrio Harvey. The Arctic Ocean is harsh in nature, but it is the smallest in size and depth. Its average depth is only 12-25 meters. This is the coldest ocean. There is always ice in its waters, even in summer. But there are jellyfish here, for example, Arctic cyanide. This is a very large and dangerous jellyfish, the dome of which can reach a diameter of 2 meters, and the length of the tentacles 35 to 40 centimeters. The Southern Ocean is a huge body of water that surrounds Antarctica. It is home to penguins and albatrosses. It is also iceberg territory. Tens of thousands of ice giants float in coastal waters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and be with Incredible World.